Have you ever designed a battery-powered Bluetooth device which empties the battery too fast and want to find out the reason? Or wanted to determine the average energy consumption of each operation state of a battery-powered device? Depending on the application, battery lifetime requirements can range from tens of hours for typical wearables like smartwatches to 10 years for smart sensors. Understanding where and when energy is used in order to minimize power consumption is key for any of these devices. The power consumption analysis tool developed by Rohde and Schwarz enables those who use Rohde and Schwarz power supplies to easily capture and analyze power consumption data via basic measurements. In this video, we will explore the capabilities of the power consumption analysis tool by using a Rohde and Schwarz NGU 201 power supply connected to a Bluetooth evaluation board, which will act as our device under test. The power consumption analysis tool supports both LAN and USB connection to the power supply. To connect via LAN, you will need to know the IP address. Now that the instrument is connected, I will enter my desired settings for my test. Configurable parameters include sample rate for fast logging, entering a limited time for a capture versus unlimited capturing time, and control over the amount and visualization of the data. If you choose to view in rolling data mode, you can also control the horizontal axis scale and decimate the data. In this video, I will show you an example of live logging, and we'll run this test in a few moments. The Settings tab allows you to configure parameters on the power supply. If you opt to enable auto range, there are several options to optimize this functionality. These fields can also be changed within the instrument itself. You may choose between current, voltage, and power display. Here, we will examine a current display to take a closer look at the current consumption of the load. It is possible to show data in either a linear vertical scale or, for a better overview of very small currents, in a logarithmic scale. In addition to that, a moving average data line can be added to the chart. I will now activate the device under test to demonstrate live logging. My mobile is connected to the board. I can turn the LEDs off and on. This action is recorded on the chart. Now that we have a data capture, we can choose how to analyze the data. This tool also includes cursor measurements. Furthermore, the minimum, average, maximum, and last value in the dataset for current, voltage, and calculated power are shown. These evaluations can be performed on the entire captured trace or can be restricted to the data shown in the window or between the cursors. If you already have data you would like to analyze, that information can be loaded under the Import/Export tab. Similarly, if you have captured something you would like to save, this information can be saved as a file under this tab. Export is possible into CSV or MATLAB file format. It is important to analyze the battery lifetime for various IoT devices. The power consumption analysis tool from Rohde and Schwarz makes it easier for you to analyze power consumption data collected with the NGL, NGM, or NGU power supplies. For more information, the full application note can be found on our website.